Anju, do we have you online?
Yes, you do.
There you are.
Hello. Hello, a very good evening to everyone, and I hope everyone's had a great day. And congratulations to the MCs. You've done such a fabulous job of keeping everybody so engaged. So truly, we've done the new. I think the first online seminar, and so many new things in the MRSI seminar. The speakers, the discussions, incredible papers on experiment and change maker. They were so exciting as well as enriching. Wasn't it a great treat to have Dorab, T2, and Shamalda all in the same room? And also like that last one on story hearing, I think was quite enthralling and delightful. So speaking of delight, I must start by thanking our Do the New theme sponsor, ITC MasterShare. Thank you very much for making this event happen and making it even more spectacular. So I've been assigned to give you a sneak peek into what day 2 is going to look like. And like Himanshu was saying, it is only going to be bigger and better than day 1. So you know what to expect. Tomorrow, we're going to be looking at 2 other key topics in the seminar, which is really Trailblazer Tech and employee inspiration. So, just to tell you a little bit about Trailblazer Tech, when we were thinking of this seminar, we were really looking at things that drive the new. And therefore, a seminar without the new roaring engine of change, which is technology, would really have been incomplete. Have we even thought about how might we have worked or connected in the last 1.5 years if we did not have the online world? So what you're going to see tomorrow really is going to be some cutting edge work with technology that the industry is engaged in so that the human at the center can be served better. So that's really going to be one set of great excitement that's going to happen tomorrow. The other is employee inspiration. They say to win in the marketplace, you must win at the workplace first. So the driving beacons of change and amazingness are people. And we've seen that through all of today as well. At the center of it is the human mind. So we wanted to know really what are some of the incredible things that companies have done to keep their employees engaged and motivated. So the idea was really, how can we share that wisdom so that so many more people can be made happier, and the marketing fraternity and the market research industry could thrive even more. Also, some other interesting thing that's going to happen in our endeavor to bring the best of the world to you. We're going to start the day tomorrow with a session by David Evans of Microsoft, who's going to be talking about brand memories and moments that matter. This paper is the winner of the best paper at SOMAR Insights Festival 2020. And you know what? He's going to be logging in from Redmond, USA at 9:30 p.m. His time. So what is going to be 9:30 a.m. for us is going to be rather late for him. We also have many, many interesting research papers tomorrow where we're going to be learning about boundaryless thinking, using tech to create positive behavior change, and new ways to connect with shoppers. We are also going to be hearing many inspirational stories of employee first. But that is not all. Industry stalwarts will be speaking to us about the changing world and how we can be better equipped to participate in this world. And in the end, we're going to be announcing, of course, the winners of the seminar. Also, like you've been hearing about this amazing hackathon, that's going on at the MRSI. Please do check them out at Jedi at Work. You'll find some very, very interesting team names there. Hack Street Boys, Silent Screamers, Access Denied are just some examples. Also, given that the next year will be the 30th annual seminar of the MRSI, we've been thinking of rechristening the seminar to something else. Do give in your inputs, do give in your suggestions, and what do you know, your suggestion just might be the title of the next seminar. So you could give your suggestion in the chat box next to you, or you could write into info@mrsi.co.in. So we really look forward to seeing all of you tomorrow and many more. Thanks very much for your participation. I do hope that we are all inspired to do something new when we go back home this evening, or get up from our tables and go to the next room today. Have a good evening, and see you all tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Bye-bye.